How to make the masked frames effect. Today's video is sponsored by Justin Timberlake. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a frame average node in empty space. Connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Change the sample direction to both and increase the frames to 5. Connect the frame average to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge node and add an ellipse mask on it. Adjust the size and the position of the mask. Increase the soft edge slider and the border width. Activate the keyframe button for the center value. Go through your clip and adjust the position of the mask to roughly follow your subject. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, unfortunately, you have no other option.